Today, we're excited to introduce you to our innovative mobile power app solution for car and vehicle booking. In this demo, we'll guide you through the seamless process of booking a vehicle using our user-friendly app. Let's begin. First, let's start by selecting a location. For this demonstration, we'll choose New York. Next, pick the date and time slot when you need a car. Once you've made your choices, simply click Continue to proceed. Great! Based on your selection, a Ford is available for booking. For a more tailored experience, you can use keyword filtering. Let's select the Ford and then click Continue to move forward. Here's the summary of your booking. It includes all the details you need to know about your reservation. If everything looks good, click Confirm to finalize your booking. Now, under Upcoming Reservations, you can see your booking. In the My Appointments section, there are two important buttons, Pick Up and Return. Pick Up will become visible when it's time to check in and collect your car. Return is for when you bring the car back to the location. When clicking on Return, you'll have the option to update the car's current mileage, for example, let's say 15,750 miles, and the ability to report any faults by adding a comment. Once you click Update, the record will be updated on the Car Manager site, ensuring a seamless and efficient car booking experience. Thank you for joining this demonstration of the Car Manager app by ACAR Ltd. We are committed to making vehicle booking as easy and convenient as possible. We look